Imagine a machine that travels faster than a bullet. In the high-stakes world of aerial warfare, speed is the ultimate weapon. For decades, engineers have pushed physics to the limit to create aircraft that can tear through the atmosphere at unimaginable velocities. Today, we explore the top 10 fastest fighter jets ever built, machines that dominated the skies with pure, raw speed. The countdown begins with the Eurofighter Typhoon. This agile multi-role fighter uses twin engines to reach a top speed of Mach 2.0. Combining high-speed interception with unmatched maneuverability, the Typhoon remains a cornerstone of modern air defense. Following closely is the French Dassault Mirage 2000. With its sleek delta wing design, this jet can hit Mach 2.2, providing incredible acceleration and high-altitude performance. Next is the Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor. While famous for its stealth, it is a beast in terms of velocity, reaching Mach 2.25. The Raptor is renowned for its supercruise capability, allowing it to sustain supersonic speeds without using fuel-heavy afterburners. From the Soviet era comes the Mikoyan MiG-29 Fulcrum. Designed to counter the best Western fighters, this jet hits Mach 2.3. Its raw power and ability to perform extreme maneuvers at high speeds made it a legendary interceptor of the Cold War. Taking the sixth spot is the iconic Grumman F-14 Tomcat. Known for its variable sweep wings that tuck back during a chase, the Tomcat could reach Mach 2.34. It was the ultimate long-range hunter, built to patrol the oceans at high velocity. Russia's Sukhoi Su-27 flanker follows with a top speed of Mach 2.35. As a heavy-hitting air superiority fighter, its massive engines allowed it to dominate the skies over vast distances. Breaking into the top 4 is the F-111 Aardvark. Although a tactical strike aircraft, its speed of Mach 2.5 is legendary. Using its swing wing technology, the Aardvark could fly at extreme speeds while staying low to the ground to penetrate enemy defenses. The McDonnell Douglas F-15 Eagle is a masterpiece with a perfect combat record. Driven by engines producing massive thrust, the Eagle can soar at Mach 2.5. Even today, its acceleration and top-end speed remain the gold standard for air superiority. In the realm of extreme velocity, we find the Mikoyan MiG-31 Foxhound. Built for high-speed interception across massive territories, it flies at a sustained Mach 2.83. It was designed to hunt down supersonic threats using its massive radar and incredible speed. Finally, the title of the fastest pure fighter jet ever mass-produced belongs to the Mikoyan Gurevich MiG-25 Foxbat. Designed for Mach 2.83, it could push to a staggering Mach 3.2 in emergencies. It was so fast that it could literally outrun air-to-air missiles fired at it. These 10 icons represent the peak of human ambition and engineering. They proved that in the high-stakes game of aerial dominance, the always fastest rule the sky. These masters of speed turn the sound barrier into a mere gateway, ensuring their place at the top of the food chain in aviation history.